tailgate drop, Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
To all the veterans, to all of you today, welcome home. Thank you for your patriotism and your service that you gave to our great country. American Legion, you guys have been a supporter since day one. Mark and his team supporting us since day one. We do have 2 survivors of our recent trips. And like we always say, we never leave a veteran behind. We always get them home. So to both of you, it's great to see you again today.
All those who served and gave everything up that we love so we can have what we love, we always think. We celebrate Memorial Day every day, but those serving today, that's Armed Forces Day, so we always hats off and salute them too. Thank you for coming out. To Ricky Lee, always patriotic Ricky. Music for our vets. Rick sings around the country, and Lisa puts up with them. And she's got the chili samples here, but they do a lot to give back, and that's what it's always about. And the Made in America store stands for our country, soldier, American worker, and people that work with their hands. And God's been good to us. So I just want to thank everybody for coming out. We got a lot of vendors down on the left side, 20 plus vendors, Channel Lock, Yingling, and all the other mom and pops. We've got 14,000 100% products now, and we support 500 privately owned American businesses. We support those that need supporting, and it's a shame. 13 years I'm proud of. Everybody's been here. Marty's never missed a party. We had TV4 here today, and Jackie Walker was great this week. But we've done a lot over 13 years. It's a shame you need a Made in America store in America, but we are the only one in the world, and we've got 600 documented honor views, and never really been an R&D thing, just a common sense thing. Tom and his team have been wonderful. It's a lot of work to raise the money and to get all the veterans. Their goal is to get 2 flights of our heroes to Washington every year, and they've got a very special flight this June. I think June 15th and 16th.
16th and 17th.
June 16th and 17th. I was close, but it's going to be 30 plus Purple Heart recipients, and it's going to be an overnight stay. I was blessed to go on one about 3-4 years ago, and boy, we had an ice storm, so everybody had to stay over, and not many people had any change of clothes, and Tom was stressing a little bit, but it worked out.
Yeah, it did.
But if you ever get a chance, if you can get on a flight and help Tom out and his team, they do a wonderful job. We're home base for Buffalo-Niagara Honor Flight. We're also gave Gold Star Mothers a place to have their meetings every month, and that's kind of neat. It's common sense to us. This is common sense, helping and supporting America. America's in trouble. I love America, so we're never giving up on it. We thank our veterans again, American Honor Flight, that team, and the American Legion out of East Aurora, a great team. So thank you. We're going to have you do your ceremony, and then Ricky's going to do the national anthem. Thank you very much for coming out today. Chevettas is here, Misters is over, and thank you for supporting us always.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight all the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, their balls bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. song of mine called Looking for America. I'm chasing down a memory of the way things used to be. Kids playing underneath an old street light, knowing they were safe when they laid down at night. I'm looking for something I ain't seen in a while. I'm looking for a factory where a man can feed his family, not worried about them moving itself, closing the doors, shutting her down tomorrow. I'm looking for America, the land of the free and the home of the brave. Seems like I just woke up one day and it was gone, long gone. But I know my heart is still out there. Somebody please tell me where. I'm looking for America's red word. I'm searching for an old church steeple where inside you'll find people that live their lives unashamed and ain't afraid to say God's name out loud. Yeah, I'm looking for America, the land of the free and the home of the brave. Seems like I just woke up one day and it was gone, long gone. But I know in my heart it's still out there. Somebody please tell me where. I'm looking for America. Yeah. I'm out here looking for the truth. I think folks will wave the red, white, blue, still believe freedom isn't free. I guess it's up to you and me to find it. Yeah, we're gonna find it. We're all looking for land of the free and the home of the brave. Seems like I just woke up one day and it was gone, long gone. But I know in my heart it's still out there. Somebody please tell me where. I'm looking for, we're not looking for, I'm looking for America.
Eagle surfers soaking in the sun, that's my hometown. America's my hometown. We got blue collar people living